गोय वैजकी महाविद्यालयात MBBSच्या वाढेल्या जाग्यां खातीर प्रवेश दिवपाचे प्रक्रियेक आयच्यान सुरवात जाली। GMCचे डीन डॉ. शिवानंद बांदेकर हांणी हे विशीं म्हायती दिल्या।
गोय वैजकी महाविद्यालयान 2024-25 शिक्षणीक वर्सा खातीर MBBS कोर्साची सिटां 200 मेरेन वाडोवन दिवपा खातीर राष्ट्रीय वैजकी आयोगा कडल्यान मान्यताय घेतल्या। जी 20 सिटां वाडयल्यात तातूंतले 17 जागे गोंयच्या विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर राखीव आसतले, जाल्यार उरिल्ले 3 जागे देशभरांतल्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या कोट्या खातीर आसतले खंय।
Now Goa Medical College MBBS seats have been increased to 200 from 180. The additional 20 seats, now there will be counseling from tomorrow, and from this academic year we will be admitting students for MBBS for those additional 20 seats. Out of these 20 seats, 3 seats have gone for All India quota and 17 seats are available for local Goan candidates, Goan students to become the doctors at Goa Medical College. So this is a big number that aspiring students who want to become doctors can now get admission in Goa Medical College, the additional seats with these additional seats.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.